Hi everyone, Arpit this side. In this video, I'll walk you through all the modules and the packages that we'll be needing for this project. And let's get started. So first we have FastAPI and Ubicon. So these will be the frameworks that we'll be using for serving our APIs. And then comes Python OJ cryptography. It's basically used, as the name suggests, for cryptography when we are creating JWT tokens for login and our APIs. Then comes python.env. We'll load our API keys and the configurations using python.env. Then comes Prometheus Fast API Instrumentator. Basically, it's for monitoring the API performance. Then we have the machine learning and data science models. Okay, Python and NumPy for data manipulation, XGBoost, LightGBM, and CatBoost. So it's basically boosting models. JobLib, we will save all the pre-trained modules so that every time somebody tries to hit it, we do not have to train the model again and again. So next is Streamlit. Streamlit is the front-end dashboard framework, and then requests will be the package that we'll be using for communicating the API with the front end. And then we have Matplotlib and C1 and Plotly. These will be used for generating the EDA and model charts. I will just paste it over here. So what it will do is it will just install all the packages at once. I do not have to type it again and again differently for all these different packages. Since I had done it already before, it's just going to use all the cached storage, check for it, and install it directly from there itself. For you, it might take a little longer because since you might not have downloaded it before or you do not have this cached save, it's gonna take a while longer. Anyway, once this will get done, you'll be ready to go ahead and start with the coding part. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.